Greetings everyone. Today we will learn to import Excel data into the SQL Server table. This is the sample Excel data to be imported into the SQL Server database. Right-click on your database, go to Tasks, and click Import Data. SQL Server Import and Export Wizard will be launched. Select the data source type as Excel. Browse for the source Excel file. Select the relevant Excel version. Mark the first row has column headers checkbox and click Next. Select destination type. Open Properties. Provide server credentials and select the database. Specify table copy or query, and click Next. Select source and destination. Map Excel and SQL table columns. Review data types mapping, and click Next. Click Finish to start the import operation. The import operation has been aborted due to the data type conversion error. Examine the data types of source and destination columns. The ID column in the DB table is a big int, but is text in the Excel file. Ensure compatible data conversion. Relaunch the import wizard. Finally, all the data from the Excel file has been imported to the SQL table, successfully.